Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have ever been asked to share your Discord ID and didn't know where to find it, in this video I will show you exactly how to find your Discord user ID in just a few steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Discord app. Now tap your profile picture on the bottom right and tap on the gear icon at the top right. This opens your user settings. Scroll down and find this option called Advanced and tap on it. Then turn on developer mode. Now go back to your profile. Go to any chats. Then tap your profile picture. Now tap the three dots next to your username and tap copy user ID. That's your unique 18-digit Discord ID. Your Discord ID is not your username or tag. It's a hidden unique 18-digit number used for bots, servers and reports. And that's how you find your Discord user ID on mobile. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.